Asijaji siyalalela.
Ngifanele ukuthi ibhruka lihlale ezincane.
Siye ngalalani. Awushaye futhi man.
That's it. This is a rockstar party. Can come if you ain't freaky. I chill with flexing niggas who claim they all jiggy. Not that life up here, we biggie loving. We hit the spot you niggas been touching. We pass the stage you niggas been stuck in. Pull up trust like Jomonale, trying to masquerade me. All these humans all around and I'm still feeling lonely. Bitch, I'm Michael Jackson, bear with their moves.
Yeah.
The devil broke my heart, that's why I party to the max. All those people chasing like a kid chasing a rat. Today feels like a good day to die. I'm at the top of my life. I just have a girl and I told her we should be friends, man. All these girls is desperate. Tell them that you love him, man. You gonna see their legs spread. It don't depend, bro. I'm strictly going legend. Understand, bro? I'm living on my own head. And yeah, I smoke too much. I always got a bag in a bag.
Good man. Ako na lyrics.
I'm talking.
Ako. Man, inkay nomi Insta nomi TikTok or something.
1336.
1336.
1336 in words. Yeah.
Oh, 1336 in words.
Yeah.
I thank you.
Straight from Shoesdale in Mpumalanga.
From Shoesdale, I'm not in Mpumalanga. Oh, Lada.